Hello student, in this video I am going to start multiplication by a two-digit number. You can do multiplication by two-digit number in two ways. Number one, suppose I am giving an example 76 multiplied by 24. First you divide the 24, 10 plus 1. Suppose equals 76 into 20 plus 4. First you multiply 76 into 20, then 76 plus 4. 76 into 20 plus 76 into 4. This is called the distributive properties of multiplication over addition. Okay? Now 76 into 2, all of you know the table of 2. 2 into 6, 12. 1 is in your hand. 2 into 7, 14, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 0 is here, so put 1 0. After that, all of you know the table of 4. Now, you multiply 4 with this number. 4 into 6, 24. 2 is in your hand. 4 into 7, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Now, you add these two numbers. 4 plus 0, 4. 0 plus 2, 2. 5 plus 3, 8. And 1, 1824. Another process is 76 multiplied by 24. So you can write in this way 76 into 24. So first you have to multiply 4 with 6, then you have to multiply 4 with 7. So 4 into 6, you write here 24. Cut 4 and write here. 2 is in your hand, so you can write 2 on 7. 4 into 7, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. Okay. After that, you put cross in one place. Or otherwise, if you want, you can put 0. Anything. Okay. Anything you can put cross or 0. Now, you have to multiply 2 with 6. After that, 2 with 7. 2 into 6. 2 into 6, 12, you write here 12, cut 2 and write here. 1 is in your hand, you can put 1 on 2. 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Now you add these two numbers. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 3, 8, 1. That is 1824. I have shown here two processes, so you can follow any one of them. Now, exercise, let us practice 6.5. I am going to solve two multiplication from here. Now, number 5, 92 into 21. Okay, you can follow the second one. You can follow the process of second one. 92 into 21. Now multiply this one. First you multiply 1 with 2, after 1 with 9. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 9, 9. Put cross in one place. After you multiply 2 with 2 and 2 with 9. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 9, 80. So you add this one. 2. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 is in your hand. 8 plus 1, 9. Then 1. This one is the answer. You can follow the other process. 92 into 21 equal 92. First you divide this one in 10 plus 1. 92 into 20 plus 1. 2 tens 1 1 to 20 plus 1. So 92 into 20 plus 92 into 1. Now 92 into 2. First you multiply the number with 2. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 9, 80. Put 0 after the number. 92 into 1, 92. Now you add these two numbers. 0 plus 2, 2. 9 plus 4, 13. 1 is in your hand. 8 plus 1, 9. 1932. Okay? Both the answer is same. So you can follow any one process. Okay? Clear? Now 40. Now 40. 179 multiplied with 36. Okay, 179 into 36. 6 into 9, 54. Cut 4 and write here. 5 is in your hand, so write 5 on 7. 6 into 7, 42. 42 plus 5, 47. Cut 7 right here and 4 is in your hand. 6 into 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Put cross in one place. 3 into 9, 27. Cut 7 right here and 2 is in your hand. 3 into 7, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. Cut 3 and write here. 2 is in your hand. Again 2 is in your hand. 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Now you write these two numbers. 4, 7 plus 7, 15. 1 is in your hand. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 1, 6. If you want, you can put plus sign. Otherwise, don't need to put any plus sign. Now, I am going to solve this multiplication in another process. 179 into 36. 179 into, you divide this one in 10 plus 1, so 3 10 6 1, so 3 10s mean 30 plus 6. 179 into 30 plus 179 into 6. Now 3 into 9, 27. 2 is in your hand. 3 into 7, 21 plus 2, 23. 2 is in your hand. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5. Now put 0 after the number. 179 into 6, 6 into 9, 54. 5 is in your hand. 6 into 7, 42. 42 plus 5, 47. 4 is in your hand. 6 into 1, 6 plus 10. Now add these two numbers, 4 plus 0. 4, 7 plus 7, 14. 1 is in your hand. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay. So, you can follow any one of the process, whatever I have shown in the board. So, student, please you try to solve by your own in your rough copy. Okay. So, practice all of this. Until then, thank you.